I also got some super red monkeys in the grow out process. A lot of my shit's in the grow out process, like Golden Base, Fireman's Dream, like Golden Base. Yeah, I make this shit work. That's a Thai GT, or yeah, that's a Thai GT or whatever. I can't remember. I got several super red Texas in here. I got this derpy ass dude right here. His name is actually Derpy, and he is actually the dad to the GBK that we're talking about, and they have actually laid before, and they actually have babies that are over here. Like this is one, that's one, and I just got like a whole bunch more. Like that's one of their babies. He's hiding in there good.